Welcome to MotorHub 1003. Ferrari enthusiasts, the wait is almost over. Spy photos have emerged revealing the latest progress on the highly anticipated successor to the iconic Ferrari Enzo, often referred to as the F70. This is the car that aims to redefine Ferrari's hypercar legacy once again. But what can we expect from this mysterious beast? The Ferrari Enzo set the standard for hypercars in the early 2000s, blending F1 technology with road-ready ferocity. Its successor, the F70, promises to push those boundaries even further. These spy shots are the first real glimpse into a machine that could combine Ferrari's racing heritage with hybrid innovation and jaw-dropping performance. The prototype in these photos wears heavy camouflage but reveals sharp, aerodynamic lines and aggressive styling cues. Ferrari seems to be focusing on extreme downforce with large air intakes and an intricate rear diffuser. Expect a design language that balances aerodynamic efficiency with Ferrari's unmistakable elegance, while official specs are under wraps. The F70 is rumored to feature a hybrid powertrain that marries a potent V12 engine with electric motors, delivering over 1,000 horsepower. This combination promises blistering acceleration, top speeds well over 220 miles per hour, and reduced emissions, a perfect blend of power and efficiency. The F70 isn't just a successor, it's a statement. Ferrari is proving that even in an era moving toward electrification, their hypercars will maintain soul, sound, and performance. It's a critical moment for the brand as it competes with rivals like McLaren and Porsche in the hybrid hypercar arena. From the spy photos, we expect cutting-edge carbon fiber construction, advanced aerodynamics, and an interior that fuses luxury with race-inspired controls. Ferrari's F70 could well be the most technologically advanced and emotionally thrilling hypercar to date. The Ferrari Enzo replacement, known as the F70, carries immense expectations. These spy shots offer a tantalizing preview of what's to come, a car that will honor Ferrari's legendary past while charging boldly into the future. Stay tuned with MotorHub 1003 for all the latest updates as more details emerge. What are your thoughts on the F70 spy photos? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Ferrari news and supercar insights.